Hi guys. I know I normally post these videos on Monday, so this is a weird week because you were in the middle of an assignment. But I just posted a lot of things to Google Classroom and I didn't want you to be overwhelmed by them, so I thought I would post the video today because this is the work that's going to take you through this week all the way through next Friday. Okay, so it has every single assignment all the way through next Friday. So if you get super bored or you just want to get done with everything, you can do this all right now. So they're actually, it looks like a lot, but they're short assignments. So just so you know, this is what was posted to Classroom. So you have three common lit assignments. They're all very short. The first two are poems, the possessive and the route north. Route 1 north to Philadelphia, those are both poems. And there's just a couple questions that go with each one, okay? And then the Wednesday assignment is an article, but it's a really short article, and it's about different types of parenting. And again, it just has a couple of questions. And then the assignment due next Friday is just a one paragraph reflection after reading both poems and the article, a one paragraph reflection. Okay, so all of these are around the common theme of parent-child relationships. I'm sure that's something that you've been dealing with a lot, being home for the past 50 days or whatever it's been. How parents parent and all that kind of stuff. So that's what the three pieces deal with. The first two are poems, the third one is an article, and then the last one is just your own thoughts. Okay, so if you notice, they each have a due date. The first one is due this Friday, the second one is due Monday, and then Wednesday, Friday. However, obviously, you can work ahead if you want to, if you just want to get them all done. So this is everything that you will need all the way through next Friday. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. If you are still turning in late work, make sure you email me when that late assignment gets finished because I have so many things coming in. Sometimes I miss it, but if you send me an email, I will check it when I get that email. So anyway, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're hanging in there. I'm so proud of you. You've been doing amazing. So let's just finish strong in the next couple weeks, okay? Again, questions, email me. Otherwise, have a great day.